Darna! Higala, welcome back to my channel. So we have Gina here. Happy 6 months daw sa amin dito. Yay! And happy for Gina. Let's give her a round of applause. Nikyo nurse na to. Yay! Punta kami ng London Bridge today. And hopefully the sun will come out tomorrow. Tomorrow.
One. Ay, bra ka. One, two.
Mga Higala, anyway, don't be sad. Ganito talaga yung tourist spot ng London. Yung weather, tourist spot din siya. Gloomy always. Right, Jean? It is always gloomy. You should experience it na gloomy yung weather kasi London. Hindi sunny ngayon, but it's alright. It's part of the tourist spot. And it is low tide din daw. So, nandito na tayo sa Tower Bridge. And then, kasi gloomy ngayon, it's February. It's the peak season ng winter season. So, hindi maganda pumunta dito ng February. Starting from October to February, pangit. So, punta kayo dito ng mainit, summer. Yung summer months, ano nga yung summer months dito? Mga June, July, August. So, para sunny and then may appreciate mo yung kaganda ng weather. And then ng Tower Bridge. Alright, we are going inside the Tower Bridge and it's raining.
It's my first time
Oh!
to go there.
Let's go inside!
you will do the two walkways, east and west.
Yeah.
And you go down here, follow the blue line from the engine.
Okay. Thank you. So we are inside the Tower Bridge and then we're going upstairs. And we bought a ticket for 9.80 pounds per adult. It's already 11:30 a.m. Oh, hello Gina. So we are inside the Tower Bridge and then yun, parang yes, parang may movie sila dito, yung parang ipapakita how they, paano nila ginawa yung Tower Bridge. Yan, sa loob. Nag-open yung bridge and then usually merong scheduled time kung anong klaseng barko ang papasok. Schedule doon sa baba sa entrance. Kung pwede mong mag-watch paano mag-open yung Tower Bridge, merong schedule. Usually mga hapon sila. Parang part din yan ng ng tourist spot sa Tower Bridge. Nagdi-divide yung bridge. Ang galing, ang ganda-ganda. Naghihiwalay. United we stand, divided we fall. Maganda din dito kasi yung lighting. Oh, ang ganda ng mukha ko, para akong baby.
Parang may lagnat.
Trail Bridge.
May bayad pa na.
Artists steel emanated from the two towers to create tapestries. The central piece of steel was then used.
So we are inside. Look, look, look.
This is the most enjoyable thing that I did.
What? Sorry?
So far.
Sabihan, Ano, Jean? Ano yung nafe-feel mo
Ano
ngayon?
yung pinakang gusto ko?
Why? This one? Oh, the
Yeah.
glass walk.
It's like I'm walking in air.
Kasi nasa kataas kami ng Tower Bridge. So, merong glass walk. Oh, you're wise. Here, I challenge you.
It's just too high.
Yeah,
Aeroplanes are alright, but don't like that.
So nice to go here this time of hour, like na kasi kami pumunta dito mga 11 and wala masyadong tao and hindi summer, so wala masyadong mga estudyante kasi last time pumunta ako dito madaming tao, summer kasi. So, and you also need to try the maglakad sa grass. Yes, it's sana sa left ako. So we are going out na and we will go. Next stop is St. Paul's Cathedral. Sana walang entrance. Wala na akong pera. So yung entrance dito, 9.80 pounds lang naman. Okay lang siya. Hindi masyadong expensive. Ano lang. Mga 600 pesos lang.
Wala masyadong
Oo, worth it siya kasi wala masyadong tourist ngayon. So, parang nasa solo namin yung pag-picture, pag-video. Tapos, quiet ba? Hindi masyadong maingay. Mga gurang na talaga tayo, Gina, kasi gusto natin tahimik. nandito na kami sa labas ng St. Paul's Cathedral. But then, kasi 20 pounds yung entrance fee, parang hindi ko pa siya magastos ng 20 pounds. So, hindi muna kami papasok. Next time na lang yun. Next time na lang to. I'm gonna come back. Ay, kakain na lang kami sa Filipino restaurant na gusto ni Gina. Nagka-crave kasi siya ng karay-karay. Aabot din tayo. Kakain ako ng marami. Nawala kasi kami. Sorry. Hi. Oh my God. Andito na. Nakikita ko na si Josephine. Oh my gosh. Gutom na ako. Ito na talaga si Josephina. In-order namin. Ang dami. Kami lang dalawa ni Gina. Hindi muna ako mag-rice kasi ang dami ko in-order. So, ito, bihon. Magkano nga ito? Parang ano to siya? Parang 10.95 pounds. Tapos, nag-order din ako ng escabeche na tilapia kasi I'm craving for it. Yay! Ito. Ano to siya? 15.90 pounds. Si Gina, nag-order ng sisig. 13 pounds. 13 pounds. And then, nag-order din siya ng kare-kare. 16 pounds. Ano yung rice? Nag-plain rice ka lang. Plain rice si Gina. 3 pounds.
Hindi na ako makausap.
Hindi na natin makausap si Gina po. Sorry. Oo, gutom na po yung batang yan. Ang sarap. Yung mga bihon lovers dyan. Masarap po yung bihon. Grabe, gusto ko. Oo, grabe talaga. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy.
Masarap siya, maka-happy. I love the kare-kare. Kahit walang bagoong. Wala siyang bagoong. Pero masarap. Nakaiba.
Mahirap sigurong kunin ng bagoong dito.
Sisig. Masarap din.
Oo, wala nang laman.
Nakapon.
Alright, hello. Busog na ko. So, dako na kaya kuntiyan. Busog na po. And nasa CR na ako ng Josephine's Filipino restaurant. And it's so clean. I like it. So, I highly recommend. Dito talaga mag-recommend sa CR. Sa CR. Masarap yung food dito. Tapos yung owner is so parang friendly and approachable naman. Uy, masarap doon. Sa Josephine's Filipino restaurant. Saan nga yun, Jean? Sa may...
Masarap.
Basta sa may Charlotte Road.
Yeah, Charlotte.
Katapat ng Charlotte Street Hotel. Ang friendly ng owner. Yung nagluto yung owner, tapos siya din po yung nag-serve. So, di ba, family run na and then independent Filipino restaurant since 1996. So, I'm home. You're home already. And what a day. Grabe yung alalakad namin today. But it was so fun. And hopefully, he also had fun. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you on my next vlog.